morning, everyone. So, this is the second lesson for this week. You would have received a writing focused lesson earlier this week, and I hope that most of you would have completed your listening assessment part B and would have started with the speaking group discussions as well. So, when in academic context, we usually discuss and write and read about academic topics. And today's lesson is also on one of such topics, which you're already a little bit familiar with, which is traditional medicines and modern medicines. For example, sometime earlier in week 8, week 9, and 10, you would have read about toxins and research on toxins. You would have also done a little bit of discussions and writing around the topic. So today's reading is quite on a similar topic, but this lesson is a reading and writing focused lesson. Its goal is to help you improve and help you practice some of your essential reading skills, as well as help you familiarize with some of the vocabulary and ideas that could be helpful in your writing. Event 3. Okay, so let me just share what the lesson is and quickly explain what you need to do. Okay, it's in a document format, so you just have to type your answers here. So the first part is mainly reading focused, and there are a couple of questions here which helps you just think about what you already know, what you already believe in related to the topic. So please write brief answers here. And then there is a section on vocabulary that might be helpful before you start reading, checking the words here and then matching the words here with the meaning. If you like, you can make some notes here, or you can make notes on the words in your notebook. And these are questions related to the text. For this, you have to read the text and the title of the text. So just remember the basics. Look at the title and read the introduction or the first paragraph and last paragraphs more carefully. You can even look at the first parts of each paragraph to help you understand what the main ideas are like. So there are questions around the text, typical questions that you need to be able to answer in any reading assessment. And the essential reading skill is to learn how to notice main ideas and look for details, and also follow some of the grammatical items like reference words. Reference words like pronouns, my, his, and articles like the or words like these, and so on. So there is also a task around that one, which is task number 7. You have to read the paragraph closely to find what these words refer to. And finally, there's also a discussion task which your teacher might be using in class, or the teacher might be commenting on your answers. So please write short responses giving your opinion, which will be a good opportunity to think about and gather some ideas, useful ideas around this topic. But later on, if you're planning to write on this topic, then it could be helpful to, brainstorm and come up with some ideas already. And there's a section 2 on writing, which is which helps you mainly focus on how to make notes and make brainstorming before you start writing an essay. So this is mainly focused on the advantages and disadvantages of alternative medicine, and you need to make some notes here. I'm sorry, make some notes there, and then sum up your notes here in about 100 or 150 words, and your teacher can read and comment on your writing skills, especially the grammatical accuracy of your sentences, your vocabulary, and also help you with some ideas if you're lacking in ideas. Okay, so this is today's lesson, which is very helpful for your upcoming assessments as well as in general to improve your academic reading and writing skills. I hope that you enjoy your learning and keep doing your DynaSpeak online units and your logbooks as well. Okay, meet you in the video next week. Until then, happy learning and all the best for your assessments as well. Bye.